Okay, so for this activity, we're going to take a tour of the electromagnetic spectrum, and we're going to go to this website here. You might have problem getting on. Just click this and click Load Unsafe Scripts, and you should start here. So this presents the electromagnetic spectrum. To us, light is more obvious to us, light is the most obvious form of electromagnetic radiation, yet it makes up light for just a small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. So I'm going to click here to start. First, we look at radio waves. And you can find the information for radio waves here to help you complete the activity. And also, if you touch this, it tells you about televisions. Televisions use radio waves. Walkie-talkie or radios also use radio waves. Okay, now I'm going to go to microwaves, or you can click next. Microwaves are shorter, smaller than radio waves. We use microwaves to cook food. They move the water molecules in food faster, causing it to heat up. And microwaves are also used in radar to detect objects in the air and on the ground to see how objects are moving. Okay, next we have infrared. Infrared radiation or infrared waves is heat. So this is just another way of seeing heat that comes off in radiation or as radiation. So heat that comes off as light or radiation is what we call infrared radiation. So we use this to heat our homes. And we also have infrared radiation used in TV remote controls. So the light that comes from this TV remote, you cannot see it, but it is infrared radiation that goes to the DVD player, the TV, or your Roku to communicate. Okay, now let's go to visible light. Visible light or light waves are the colors that we can see with our eyes. Okay, light that comes from a lamp is visible light. Visible meaning we can see it. And light coming from some lasers, colored lasers, are also visible light. Ultraviolet light is higher energy light. This comes mostly from the sun, although we can make ultraviolet light using machines and various devices. Ultraviolet light is used to kill bacteria and to kill viruses. So if we want to make water safer to drink, we can use ultraviolet light to kill the bacteria and to kill the viruses. It is used for sterilization. X-rays. So X-rays were discovered in 1895. At first, the person that discovered them, Wilhelm Roentgen, did not understand that they were called X-rays. X-rays are used to see inside your body. They are also used, if you have cancer, they are used to kill the cancer cells and to help you get rid of or eliminate the cancer in your body. Okay, that's X-rays. Gamma rays. Gamma rays are they have the highest energy of any type of electromagnetic radiation. They are because they are high energy, high frequency, they have very small wavelengths. The wavelengths are smaller than a proton. And they come from very violent explosions in space or very violent collisions or explosions here on Earth. And they tend to come from radioactive materials here on Earth. And like ultraviolet radiation and X-rays, we also use gamma radiation to kill microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and to sterilize food and other objects.